Do you love watching woodworking projects come to life?
Do you want to pick up a few extra skills while also being entertained?
Well, you're in the right place. Kieran and Heather here from KJH Woodworking, and welcome to our channel. Our channel is about empowering you to do DIY, epoxy and woodworking projects all on your own.
Be it for beginners like me,
or people that have been dabbling in the craft for years.
we can help you take your skills to the next level.
We even branch into CNC work as well as 3D printing.
We even love to do laser engraving.
And best of all, we have a whole heap of fun doing it.
We show you how to design and create from the comfort of your own home.
So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and start creating today.
Don't forget to like this video so we can share it with more people like you, and smash that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
If you've liked what you've seen here, we think you're going to love this, and we will catch you there. Cheers, guys.